Have you been?
Yeah, I've been pretty good. How have you been?
I've been alright, thanks. Yeah, what have you been up to?
Wait, hold on, sorry. Sorry, can I just answer this?
Yeah, sure, yeah, go on.
Alright, safe.
Yeah.
Anyway, but honestly, how's the things been with the new job though?
Oh, they've been fine, thanks. Yeah.
Good, thanks. Who are you?
Yeah, we're fine.
It's a board, lives and levels. What are you on about?
What's your problem?
Well, it's just a bit. Hey, no.
Leave him alone, get off!
Come on, leave me alone. Hey, come on, man.
Get off!
Just looking. Come on, just give me the ball.
Leave him alone, what's your problem? Get off it!
Oh, shut up, you.
Give me the ball.
Give it him back!
Give me the board, please. Just give me the ball, please.
Give him what you're doing, give it him back!
Please, come on. Seriously, just.
Give him
Come on, it's mine.
my bag.
It's my property.
You stole it from my cousin house.
Get off my bag! Get off! Get off! This is
Help!
Get off! Oh my god, what is your problem? Can you help? Thank you!
Thank you!
Who did it pull off?
Okay, so why did you try to help out when you witnessed this confrontation happen?
Well, I wasn't sure what was actually happening, whether it was some sort of like street performance or anything like that, because I noticed a lady over there like cutting somebody's hair. Next thing I noticed a couple of people with their phones out filming, and I thought, all right, maybe it's not genuine. Then I saw what were happening, and I heard a guy shout, "Oi!" So I thought that prompted me into action as well. So I just like went to help out because this could have been real. And everyone was just looking about, sort of staring at what were happening. No one was taking action.
How did you feel that you handled this confrontation?
Pretty good. You have to go into these situations assertive. Say it could have been real. I didn't know whether it was real or not. So you have to try and break these things up.
What's your view on bullying as a whole?
Oh, view on bullying as a whole, it's well, it shouldn't be doing. It's like weak personalities, isn't it? Picking on like smaller people, either academically brighter than them. They feel basically it's people that bully. It's their own insecurities that they try to project on other people.
I wasn't staring, sorry.
You're staring at me?
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you are. You're looking at me now.
I wasn't, I was just on my phone.
No, you're not on your phone. Why are you take your phone off you?
Why are you
No,
staring?
I wasn't
Exactly.
staring.
Why are you staring at
I
me?
wasn't staring at her,
Hey, why are
sorry
you
man.
staring, man?
I wasn't staring at her.
What's the point? What's the point?
Yo, help, please, help!
Go on,
Help!
Dad.
Why are you?
I wasn't staring at her, man.
Dad.
I
Why are you
wasn't.
staring at her, man?
I wasn't staring at her, man.
You were staring at her, man. Come on.
Help, sorry, man. Help!
Man.
Kiss my shoe.
Kiss
Help!
you, man.
Kiss my shoe.
Come on.
Help!
Get that.
Since you're gonna be a
Kiss
pervert,
my shoe.
help.
Kiss my shoe, then it's fine.
Since you're gonna be a
It's fine.
pervert, why don't you do
Nobody's
that?
going to help
Please,
you.
help.
That's your own country.
Come on, since you're a
Nobody's gonna
pervert.
help you. Nobody will help you.
Since you're
I wasn't.
What?
Stop shouting for help. They're not going to help you.
I wasn't even touching you. I wasn't
Why
even
would
looking
anyone
at you.
help you?
They're not going to help
Why
you.
would anyone help you?
Why
I
would
wasn't even
anybody
looking
help you?
at her.
You don't
I wasn't even looking at her. Say sorry.
Help. It's going to help you.
I wasn't even looking at her.
No waste, man.
I was
You're
just in my
staring at her
phone.
for no reason. What's the point, man?
Help!
What's the point in just staring at her?
Help!
What's the point?
Yo, I said sorry, man. Yo! Yo! Yo, sorry, hey!
You're an absolute
Sorry!
You're an absolute waste. Shut.
Sorry!
Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much.
What the
Why did you try to help out when you witnessed this confrontation happen?
Because what I saw was wrong. Nobody should be pushing anybody about or trying to start a fight with him or picking on them or anything. It wasn't right what they were doing to him.
Alright, well, if this situation came up again, how would you approach the situation?
I'd do the same thing. I'd try and find out why they were doing what they were doing or what they were doing wrong, why they were trying to push him about and try and find out what was happening.
How did you feel that you handled the situation?
Pardon?
How did you feel that you handled the situation? Did you feel like you did well, or could have done something better? Or?
To be honest, I felt I did the best that I could do, considering I had my son with me. I didn't feel I could get too much closer in case they started kicking off back at me, because I didn't know the situation wasn't real, so I couldn't do much more because I didn't want to put my son in danger.
What is your view on bullying as a whole?
It's wrong. Nobody should be bullying anybody. It doesn't matter if the difference is between people. It's wrong. Nobody should be saying or doing anything to hurt anybody else.